In this video, I will show you guys how to use Cin in order to take input or data from the user. Okay, Cin is similar to Cout, but then you don't have to include the end line, and also these brackets are facing to the right for Cin, yet for Cout they're facing to the left. Okay, fine. In order to use Cin, it helps us to store data in certain variables. So when we input that data, we should already have declared the variables that we want that the data that we're entering to be stored. Okay, let me start by making the variables. Make the first one an integer and call it age. Then make the second one a string. Call it name. Okay, cool. For strings, we have to include the header file. And then, so as I said that Cin is similar to Cout, so you simply write Cin, and then you write the brackets that are facing to the right, and then you write the variable that you want to enter the value to, which is a age in our case for the first variable that we created, and then the second one will be Cin, and then the elbow brackets facing to the right again, it's name. The variable's name is name. Okay, cool. Now let's Cout. Just to check if the data was stored successfully in our variables. Let's see out the string again. Let's see. Okay, cool. Let's run the code and see what we get. So it will, firstly, in the first line, it will not ask us, but then it will tell us to, we'll insert the age and then insert the name. And then after that, we get the age out and then we get the name out. Okay, the A was supposed to be a capital letter A here. Okay, that's the only error that we faced. Let's run again and see what we get. Okay, now let's enter the age. Let's say the age is 24. And then the name is John. See, and then gives us the name, the age, and then the name again in the second line. So that's simply how you use Cin. So I'm guessing that now that I've showed you this, you can use Cin even more. But just for us to understand the code more, let me use Cout so that the code or the program can ask us to enter the age and then enter the name. Okay. The age. Okay, and then it should also ask us to enter the name. Please enter the name. And then down here it will say age is, and then down here it will say again the name is. Then let's see if it didn't make any mistakes. No, I don't see any. Okay, fine. Let's run it. Okay, fine. Let's please enter the age. So the age is 24. Please enter the name. The name is John. And then the age is 24. The name is John. Just that I didn't leave space here, of which I should have. Let me just leave it inside these. Okay, let's run it again. Now it should work perfectly fine. Please enter the age. The age is 25. The name is John again. And then the age is 25. The name is John. So that is simply how you use CIN to get data from the user. And then from there on, going onwards, you can use that data or either you want to manipulate it or add the age to another value. That's up to you. That's just it to this code. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe if this video was useful to you. Like the video and subscribe only if you'd like to see more content like this. Thank you for watching.